How many of you athletes or even former athletes have ever gone to the park or even indoor facility and try to play a sports game that requires an inflated ball, such as basketball? You get there and you realize the ball needs some air, it's feeling kind of flat, and it prohibits you from being able to play the sport that you want to play. And instead of using one of these old-fashioned air pumps or even the small mechanical hand pumps that takes time, those type of problems can be solved with the help of this little guy right here. This is the ETENWOLF Sports Mate P200 ball electric pump. Now, the P200 has a very reliable battery. In fact, you can get up to 50 basketballs inflated off a single charge and at 2x speed compared to a manual pump. Now we're going to talk more about the ETENWOLF Sports Mate P200 electric pump right after this. Hey, what's up, everybody? And thanks for joining. Without wasting any time, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share it out, as it truly will help out my channel. Let's look at all the items that come inside of the packaging. You have a small carrying bag, which is nice, that's included. A pair of needle air pins, type A to type C charge cable, instruction manual or user manual. And then, of course, the main reason why we're here, the ETENWOLF Sports Mate P200. Let's go ahead and remove this here. You can get this in two other colors. This is dark cyan. You can get it in black and then vivid orange. As we have a closer look, you're going to see the unit button, so you can set either bar, PSI, or KPA for the air pressure. Control panel button. This is the power button. The plus button, minus button, that must be how to increase the pressure or decrease the pressure. If we turn it upside down here, you will see type C charge port. We look up here, you're going to see the deflate port and then the inflate port. Let's go ahead and power it on. So the battery is full, which is awesome. This number here is the pressure value, and for the PSI, that is the target input value. When I press the control panel button, which is marked M, it's on basketball now. Press it again. This is manual use, so it looks like a sprocket. If I press it again, this is inflation. Then you can see American football. It has a 2000 milliamp battery, and off of one single charge. With that stated, off of a single charge, this could inflate up to 50 basketballs, 70 footballs, or 90 soccer balls. How cool is that? And without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and deflate this American football first. Then afterwards, I will go ahead and inflate it. And let's see how that works. So we're going to twist this in here to install it. And let's go ahead and see this in action. So you push the power button to start it. And as you can see, the air is coming out. And it's not that loud, to be honest. Pretty quiet. Stop it, just press the button again. Okay, let's take this out. As you can see, it is pretty deflated. Now we're going to remove this and place it in the inflated section. Let's go ahead and stick this in. Now we're going to go ahead and inflate air into it. But this portion of the video, I'm going to time lapse it just for the time's sake of the video. But we're going to watch it and monitor it here and see how long it takes to inflate this to full. Let's go. It looks like it took about 58 seconds to fully inflate this football. But as you can see, it's nice and full and it's ready to go. And there you have it. Again, so many options in this small little guy here. You can inflate so many balls off of one charge. Now to briefly talk about the manual use mode. Here you're able to adjust the amount of pressure if you wish, so you can hit the minus button or the plus button. And then you can also use the units here for U. So instead of PSI, you can go to bar, or you can choose KPA. Now, if you press the control panel button or the M button here again, this is inflation mode. So this is going to be continuous air, and it's not going to stop unless you stop it. And that's pretty much it for the P200. Now, if you're interested in this electronic air pump, then please use the link in the description section of this video. But this completes my unboxing and review for the ETENWOLF Sports Mate P200 ball electric pump.